Yo, welcome back to the Detail Hot Lap. We have another video of the exterior cleaning, but we're going to do a maintenance wash on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. I didn't really have a vehicle to work on except for this one. It did get dirty over the past week, so I just went ahead and did a maintenance wash on it and then just dried it off and put it back in the garage. Absolutely love this thing. It is a product by MTM Products. It is a foam blaster. You can adjust the size of the spray, wide to narrow, and then how much soap is actually being thrown onto the vehicle. I especially use the foam cannon to put fresh soap on the vehicle. That way it drips off any of the road grime. And then I just go ahead and use a wash mitt on it, so that way all fresh soap is on there and no dirt and debris can scratch the paint. If you're working in a sunny area, do make sure you are going quickly. Just don't skip any areas, as it will show in the very end. And then you just want to go ahead and do the top down method and then go around the whole vehicle and you should be good to go. I know this video hasn't been informative, but it was just a maintenance wash that everyone needs to do on a weekly basis. Yes, cars may not get as dirty as mine, but I just went ahead and cleaned it. That way you just don't get any grime and surface dust on the vehicle and keep it on there for a very long time. Thanks for watching, guys.